Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V15 Pro, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. To get started, we're gonna hold our power button and first power button. There we go. Gonna select power off, and once it turns off, we're gonna hold power button and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. And when you see the VIVO logo, after a second you'll have this mode. You want to let go of the buttons right away. If for some reason when you let go of the power button it accepts the first option, which is reboot, and this mode just turns off, start holding those two keys again to get back here. It sometimes might happen. Anyway, from here we're gonna use the volume button to navigate down, and then we're gonna press power button to confirm the second option, which is recovery mode. Give it a moment and it will boot us into said mode. And there we go. Now in here we can install software, clear data, which consists of factory reset and clear cache, and then we have check system, and then below that we have two options of leaving this mode, shutdown or restart. Now I'm gonna select restart because there's nothing else here to show, so okay, and this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.